Delroy Dawson, Aenon Town Division.
Alright, so Dawson, we are on election day and you would have been the councillor twice before. Tell us the feeling going into today.
Well, today I'm very, very happy and confident that the PNP will be victorious at the end of the poll from 5 o'clock.
Why are you so confident?
We have put in the work and the work will pay off. The citizens are very disgruntled with the Jamaica Labour Party. If you look on the roads, the water, nothing go on. So the people just want to get rid of the JLP, so they are willing to come out and vote. As you can see, the lines at the polling station are very long because the people just want to back off the Jamaica Labour Party.
So
and they are confident again.
But as you speak about the line, normally for local government election we normally have a low turnout, and for by-election usually we even have a smaller margin. So are you buoyed by the fact that we have lines at some of the polling stations?
Very much so. Because in general you would see the lines are very, very small, persons trickling. But from morning at this PD here that I have just voted, the line is just long enough. All day persons here waiting.
What are your plans for the division?
Well, my plans for the division is to continue to represent the people to the best of my ability, to improve the educational system, the infrastructure and roads, water, garbage collection, get some street lights because we have some very dark areas. As you know, we have overgrown all along the road and some places are very dark. And with the increase in crime, I think it's best to have some more areas lit so the citizens of the division can be more comfortable traversing at night.